what's up? Welcome back to another video, and this is video number 3 for this, all recorded on the same day because I figured while I was in okay mood, I might as well do it. Because as you know, with anxiety, I never know when it's gonna break and not let me record. So, we are here with another unboxing of a Valentine's Day gift that I got from my husband and from me. Because, yeah. Here it is. It's another Funko Hot Topic exclusive. If you can see right here, this is the Sailor Moon trio, Neo Queen Serenity, Small Lady, and King Endymion. Now, I went to the store and picked this up because every time I order online, they come to me super damaged or with the paint wrong or something, just something. So I looked at them in store the best I could to get the best one, and it seemed like there was nothing wrong with them other than a couple of paint defects, which all of them seem to have. So here they are in their container out of the bin. And quick look. The backs don't look too bad, so it seems like I got a good set. Now, I'm not sure if I should just put them back in and keep them in the box. I might do that, or if I should store them out. I want to give you a close look up of all three of them. Oh, nope, I was wrong. Well, that just might be dirt, but I never know how to get dirt off of these things. And her arm's got a wonky. So the first one I will show you is my first ever Funko Pop of any version of Chibi. So this is Small Lady Serenity. That's what they call her in the manga and Japanese anime. And you can see her back pigtail. It's showing up more there, is a bit dirty. So if anyone knows how to get these clean, please let me know, because I've had quite a few of these Funko Pops with that problem, and it does kind of turn me off to wanting to buy them anymore. But I did have to buy the Sailor Moon set at the very least. And the Fairy Tale with Urza and Gray came out. And Lucy? Yeah, Wendy, not Lucy. So I have Natsu and Gray, and I want to get Wendy and Urza and Gray. No, I had Natsu and Lucy. Natsu and Lucy and Happy were the first three that came out. And then now they have Urza, Gray, Wendy, and Carla. So I want to get all of that. I didn't buy Happy because, quite frankly, his character annoys me. Here is Neo Queen Serenity. I'll give you a close look up of her crown. Of course, it's not as good as the real thing. I really wish I had her crown. She's got really cute earrings, which I'm not even showing because out of frame. And like TV said, the back is dirty, so you can see it on this one right here. There's a dirt speck, which always seems to happen with these. And then there's a couple, you know, plastic malfunctions. It always seems to be something with these things, so oh, why didn't I see that? That's gonna annoy the crap out of me. Make better quality products. So here is Neo Queen Serenity with her wings and her ribbon. You know, I was pretty sure she had wings. Was it just part of her ribbon? Maybe it was. And the last but not least one that I was so excited about is King Endymion. Although, does it ever make sense to any of you guys why the heck his hair would go from black to purple? That never made sense to me. I can understand if it was more silver, but why purple? Well, anime logic, I guess. His cape's got a few indents on it, which my camera is not picking up. But other than that, he's perfectly made. you know, a little dirty like the other ones, which happens. He's got his wand staff thing. He upgraded. He upgraded from a cane to a staff. Now he can poke people with this end. I don't understand why they put a mask on him either, because King Endymion did not wear a mask. That I know of. That I think. He didn't have a mask on. Did he? I'll have to look back at the manga and the anime, but I'm pretty sure he did not. Don't know why they put a mask on him. Ah, there's another plastic paint defect. Right there. Oh, right here by the hairline. There we go. Hey, you could barely see it on your end. So it's like if you're just looking at these from afar, they look perfect. But if you're very picky like me and you look up close, you can tend to see most of the flaws. But I'm actually really super excited about this collection, and I think if I would have ordered it online, I would have had more problems. Because it seems anytime I order a Funko Vinyl Pop, be it My Little Pony or just a regular one, anytime I order them online, there seems to be a ton of flaws. Now, I'm also going to let you guys know that in March, Funko is coming out with a full collection of Care Bears. Some of them are going to be exclusive to very specific places. I do have the image up on my Instagram. If you want to go check it out, then you can see which ones are special and which ones you'll be able to find easier. But it seems like the ones that are glittered or flocked are going to be the ones that are going to be really hard to find. But that's coming up in March. So that's going to be, if I do another Funko Pop haul, that's going to be the next thing. I still have to get Sailor Jupiter, Sailor Mercury, and I have none of the, got this plastic thing. Go in the box. Okay. I have none of these. In this bubble, nope. This bubble has all of the Outer Senshi and Sailor Chibi. Yeah, it's not Super Sailor Chibi Moon, so they might come out with the super version of her later. Who knows? That made me panic. That was not my daughter's school bus. Oh, but I am on the fence. You guys can comment down below your opinions. I do not know if I want to pick up Uranus or Neptune, because I cannot stand their characters at all. I think they're very snobbish, especially in the 90s anime. I prefer them in the manga. Their personalities are better. But they're very standoffish, which I understand if you think about it from a logical standpoint. The reason they are is because they spent most of their lives being alone, not relying on anyone, making their own decisions. But it just annoys me to no end that they just do not listen to Usagi, and she is their princess, she is their future queen, and I'm sorry, but last time I checked, when she's the leader and you're supposed to freaking listen to her, outer senshi or not. Like, they try to separate themselves from the inner senshi, and I just think that that's just dumb. You guys are one big team, you need to work together. And Pluto is very shy, but she's been isolated for most of her life, whereas Uranus and Neptune were reborn. So, their 90s personalities have completely ruined the characters for me, and I just can't stand them. I especially can't stand Neptune, but that's probably because I have a small attraction more to Uranus than Neptune. I always had a crush on Haruka. If you didn't have a crush on her, I don't know. You've been living under a rock. Or maybe you're just 100% straight and just don't swing like that no matter what, which is fine. But I just really wish that they would show their princess and their queen a little bit more respect than they do. And even the inner senshi should get more respect than they get from them. I mean, I get that you're older and slightly stronger, but if you really want to go there, Usagi is stronger than all 10 of you guys. So, or 9 of you guys. So be quiet. Anyways, I'm not going to go on and rant about that. I really, really love this set. I was so excited. I was afraid I wasn't going to get it. Honestly, because it's a exclusive only at Hot Topic. You can order it online or you can go in the store to get it. But the these guys for the reasons. Mainly these guys. Mainly these guys, because Tuxedo Mask is my favorite character, as well as Sailor Moon. Never got into their future selves, because just never did. And, they ruined, Chibiusa's personality in, there's stuff there you just fell on. In, the 90s anime, so I couldn't get into her character as well. It's just, if you want to really know Sailor Moon, read the manga first. Read the manga first, okay? I just highly recommend to read the manga. It's not as good as the 90s anime, I guess, in some people's opinion, but I enjoy it. And I really think that if you want to know their true personalities, you should go and read the manga first. So that's it for this video. Do you want to say bye-bye, everybody?
Yeah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say, here, look in the camera. Lean over. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say thanks for watching.
Thank you, Lucky.
Say comment down below and leave a thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Okay. Bye, guys.